this guy out. So, I don't know how well you can tell, but that is just, it's fallen on the side. There's no bolstering left in the seat. So when trying to drift or track or corner it all, it just, you almost roll out of the seat when it goes. So we'll just pop this out real quick. A couple of bolts back here, a couple up front. Looks like there's a wire of some sort. I don't know what it'd be to, but well, let's get this done. Hopefully it'll focus over here. Apparently we're not going to focus on any of these, so. Like that. Alright, let's try this. Hopefully it'll focus now. That is gross under there. There's that wire. Goes back there. We'll just unhook it. We'll pull this out. That thing forward. That wasn't too bad. Well, I'm gonna grab a vacuum real quick. Clean that up. It's gross. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. I vacuumed this car out a few times already, but it just was not cared for, so I'm finding more and more stuff. That's alright. We'll get it. So ideally this could really use a good carpet cleaning. It's still nasty even though it's been vacuumed out now, but as you can see from the shorts and the long sleeve shirt, it's still winter outside. It's about 36-ish degrees. So we're going to do the right thing, and we'll crack a few more trees and we'll hit it with some of this Febreze. It's cranberry. It smells delicious. That should just take care of it. We'll just really give it some good. Now the carpets are clean. This will go back in the summer and really give it a deep clean. It looks like somebody spilled protein shake, or at least I hope it is. And other things, I don't know. It's gross. So as I was taking the side lap belt bracket off of right here, I realized it's just a bolt, and I was worried about finding a nut for it. So luckily Corbetta, or whatever, it's threaded. So I'll just hit it with my impact and get it on. They really thought of everything with this kit. It's kind of great. Looking at this, it looks like all the spot welds are in here are broken. It is. It's safe. No wonder it felt so bad. You can literally just take and... It's not supposed to do that. But speaking of, you know, thinking of everything. Let's see if we can see it. I read somewhere that you want to use the finest LS timing chain cover bolts to hold it in place. They work really good. Well, hopefully this goes in. Oh goodness. Hi. Oh yeah. Sometimes you gotta sit in it to make it fit right. For being hot out here, I'm just sweating. Well, I can already tell you there might be a slight issue with it. Fits nice. That may be an inch and a half before my head hits, which means my helmet's going to hit. So, I'll have to cut these brackets down. I'll do that later. But safety first, or something like that. But with that being said, here's the outcome of the seat in the car. As you can see up there, not much room, but overall fitment's pretty good. So we'll just see how this upcoming weekend turns out. I don't have time to weld the diff yet, but at least I have a seat that's going to hold me in place, unlike last time. Thanks for watching.